Well, that's come out all right. So I've now done this side to match. So all these parts were just done this afternoon, and it's come out okay. Let's where's the camera? Let's have a look down here. Now remember, from these heights, that should be, where are we? 55. So this one is there. That one is there. That one is there, and it's the spheres. And that one is there. All right. And if you look at these heights, here's the thing. It's 55, 53, 55, 55. So that and that should be in a line, and this one should be 2 centimeters below. And incidentally, that one, all of those ones should be in a line too. So let's check that. So we can't go down far enough on the camera. So I'm going to check it by eye. And yeah, I needed the camera is up here, which is the height of the thing above. Well, never mind. Thing. So I'm checking by eye, and yes, it is in fact 2 centimeters. If I come back, you might be able to see it. Yes, you can see the bow down, dunk, dunk there. Right, it's going down. But yes, I just checked a line, and these are in fact in a line, and it's the same for those ones. They're down by 2. Yeah, that you can actually see that's about 2 centimeters below, can't you? Yeah, because this one comes down and then that goes back up. I really needed the camera the other way up, didn't I? But I know what we can do. What we can do is, ta-da! And yes, you can see that node is in alignment with that one, and that one is dropped down by 20 millimeters, which is fantastic. Now, also, these should be in a line. I'm going to check it by eye first. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, they are. Right, let me see if I can show you. Get the thing out of the way. Yeah, this one with that one, with that one, that one. They're all in a line. Fantastic. Oh, this one's still drying. The glue is still drying here, so we need to support that underneath for now. And likewise, this one, that one, and that one are at the 55, and that one, and that one are at the 55 height. So it should all be thing. But I'm astonished how this has come out. So the next thing is to do the parts that go from here downwards, and then we'll have space underneath below here for the generator, and then the wishbone suspension will come out for the front steering, which arrived from China for a couple of days ago. Will come out left and right here, and the steering column will go out there and up to there. It's like, oh, it's really exciting. So, thank you very much.